After some of the biggest insurers left California entirely last year, Utahns are talking about their insurers dropping them. CEO of Utah Independent Agents Matt Child says luckily here in Utah, we don't have an access problem.
One thing that's great about Utah is it's a very competitive marketplace. So there are a lot of different carriers. So one carrier may not want to write in a particular area for a multitude of reasons. There's usually another carrier that will.
He says some Utahns are being dropped by insurers because they rely on national mapping tools that assess wildfire risk.
The mapping situation is not, in my opinion, accurate enough and detailed enough that the average consumer is going to look at that and say, my home is fine, but my neighbor's home isn't.
State Representative Casey Snyder is introducing a bill this session that would create a state-specific map of risk areas. Child says for now, the best homeowners can do is control whatever risk they can.
What a homeowner can really do is look at their home, look at the exterior of the home. What can they do to create defensible space? Does it mean trimming and maintaining the bushes? Does it mean clearing away brush from the exterior of their yard to make sure that if a brush fire does happen, that their yard is well maintained, it's well groomed, so that a fire is not likely to spread into their home versus another.
He says if you don't own a house, you want to make sure you get renter's insurance.
Even if you don't own the home, well, you own a lot of things inside, whether it be your clothes, your individual personal properties, etc. Those types of things would be covered in the event of a fire loss.
In Salt Lake City, Jenna Bree, Fox 13 News, Utah.